This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
So what does this have to do with this? Would you believe this is a Grand Prix race taking place in a high school gym? The cars run on hydrogen fuel cells and are remotely controlled by middle and high school students watching from the stands.
We know that STEM programs can equip students with success in education, in careers, and definitely in life in general. We want students to gain experience with real-world engineering applications while also showcasing the work that Hyundai is doing right here in our area with clean energy.
Hyundai has more than a passing interest in the competition since it takes place just a few miles from its Meta plant being constructed in rural Bryan County, Georgia. While it appears to be organized chaos, the 15 teams of students have to comply with the rules.
So, yellow card, okay, that's Ian. Ian's going to be over here at this table for you guys, okay? So ask him for help.
But before these erstwhile full-scale Formula One and Grand Prix competitors can get to the starting line, there is a learning process involved. Participants at our nearby Boys and Girls Clubs got some first-hand experience in the basics of what it takes to create these kinds of vehicles.
You can fill up in 5 minutes at the gas station, just like a regular gas car. But how you fill it up is liquefied hydrogen.
In addition to building a micro vehicle from the kit, the process teaches young people how to problem solve as a team. Local educators see this as a useful way to develop their students for careers of the future.
Opportunities like this for students to be able to put hands on and work collaboratively through a team and competitive model, it's clearly, as we can see, piquing interest and hyper engaging students.
For those who survive to the end, there is the joy of winning at this event and going to the next level. Success here comes with more than just bragging rights. The overall winners and the top finishers among the all-girls teams will get a chance to compete in the global championships in Germany during August of this year. I'm Greg Morrison.